Hello guys, welcome to the fourth episode of the Belgium travel series. In this episode I will visit Namur, a city in Wallonia. I will walk through the historic center and visit the Citadel of Namur. Let's go check it out. The Citadel is a symbol of the city of Namur and is located on a 100-meter high hill above the city. It is one of the largest fortresses in Europe and is connected with the Jambus district via the Pont de Jambe.
Time is so little by little, day by day, I'm caught in the middle of a spinning wheel where all I feel is the ice getting thinner. Step by step, day by day, I'm fighting a winner. Pushed around, I'm nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong? And all I do comes out wrong. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? Time is a struggle, little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back, I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground. How can I get it back? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground when I back down each time? As the days go by, I keep wondering why the struggle never ends. In this endless fight, I'm never right. I can never win, never win.
Here are the highlights of my walking tour in the city.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun. We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I
So that's it for the 4th episode. Namur and its citadel are really worth a visit. You can easily spend a day here. I hope you liked this video. Please give me a thumbs up and a reaction down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Location, and I hope to see you again in another location. Ciao!
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.